Hello, it's English time again. Today I will tell you 10 things you should know about Santa Claus. 1. Santa Claus is a jolly old man. Jolly means happy. 2. Santa's suit is red. 3. Santa lives at the North Pole. 4. The elves help Santa in his toy workshop. 5. Santa's sleigh is pulled by 9 reindeer: Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, and the most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. 6. Santa makes a list to see who was naughty or nice, and he checks his list twice. 7. He puts presents under the tree for nice children. 8. He brings coal to naughty children. 9. Santa gets into houses by climbing down the chimney. 10. Santa eats milk and cookies on Christmas Eve. That was all for today. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Merry Christmas!